Hi dear viewers, again, James Braithwaite here again. This time I've got something a little different. Again. First time I've ever driven one of these as well. Mitsubishi L200 BARBARIan.
Yes. But listen, what about general hanging basket issues? I always assume that everybody likes to line up. And then my colleague Vernon, who's 6'6", he says he keeps walking into them.
Well, you weren't on ours because they must be about 12 foot up.
Oh, really? Are they that high?
Oh, yes, yeah. They're that high.
So you've got to go up and down.
Just turn the volume down so you can hear me. These are Japanese trucks, but they're built in America. So, Texas tractors I call them, because they're obviously pickup trucks as opposed to Chelsea tractors, which of course are the Range Rovers that never go off-road unless they're on a gravel driveway. I'm only manoeuvring this and warming it up because it's just having an oil service. Steering's quite easy to turn, but still quite heavy. And this is quite a long. This one has the canopy on the back, like some of the pickup trucks do. But it's quite a good civilised setting in here, you know, because of course farm trucks and things have been very watered down over the years, particularly with the Texan influence. Let's make sure I'm following on Right, okay, I'm here. Yeah, I'm just leaving it running for a couple. Right. Just let it warm up for a couple of minutes. And while it's doing that, I'll show you what.